how things have really changed in the past year as far as people's opinions about teachers and other public service workers, and I've appreciated the support we've gotten from other people when we've had to fight, so I'm here to support everybody else who's trying to get their jobs back.
And your name?
Dawn.
Dawn. Where are you from?
Thank you.
Go ahead. Where are you from?
I'm from Bellwood.
And what are you doing here today?
I'm here to support our economy, get a message over to the CEOs, bring back jobs to Chicago.
Thank you.
Gone too far. Got most of the people with money, most of the people with no money, and a few with a lot of money, and they want to keep making it worse and worse. And a democracy that doesn't work. That's why we're here.
Bonita, aka Bo. To Kenya Turner.
And what you doing here today?
We're here protesting jobs leaving the United States, and also people going into foreclosure and not getting help with their homes. The government gave the banks money to help with the homes, and they're not doing it. The middle class has disappeared. I'm a working middle class. I'm tired of being overtaxed. I want the people to make the big money on Wall Street to pay taxes like I do. And actually pay what they should be paying.
If we bail them out, they should be able to bail some out with some of the foreclosures out. And also at the same time, we're losing money in our schools, which in the future can make this, make things way worse than what they are.
If you want
so now's the time to do something about it. So stand up, Chicago.